A victory of some sorts by the opening of this school for the administration here, most of the students and the residents of Garissa town. And here with me to discuss more about this momentous day is of course the Deputy Principal in charge of Planning, Finance and Administration at the Garissa University College, Mr. Hussein Golicha. Thank you so much for joining the program. Kindly tell us, how was the first day of learning?
The first day was great. The university reopening after a long period, as you mentioned, 9 months. On the first day, we got an overwhelming return of our lecturers and other workers. I would say over 90% have reported. On 6th, we got our students reporting, and that was overwhelming also. We are really grateful.
Mm-hmm. So the number of the students who have arrived at the institution today for learning are those of the private schools? The private sponsored rather,
yes.
The PSSP.
Yes.
When do we expect the government sponsored students?
The government sponsored students are expected when next the intake will be organized. That is by COOPS, that is in September this year. But right now the ones we have are self-sponsored students, continuing students for that matter, who are in their third year and second year, and also diploma students.
Are there any concerns for you as an administration that the students who come back may not be the exact number as there was before?
Of course the concern is there, but as I mentioned, the numbers that are coming back after 9 months, where you would expect a number of them having joined other universities, is overwhelming. We really appreciate this. And with the type of preparations we have made for them, we expect, specifically from the number of prospective students who came to the university to find out what courses we are offering, we are really hopeful, and we expect a larger number to report to this university to start their education.
What about trauma counseling? We believe this is some of the things that you had put in place last year after the attacks.
Yes.
For both the staff and the student. Is it going to be a long-term thing? Will you look forward to doing that once the school reopens fully with all students?
Yes, counseling was done in Moi for the students who left us and joined there, and the staff, and our staff who are still based here. Yes, because counseling and trauma is not a very short period type of thing. We expect to help them, counsel them as time goes.
Okay, so thank you very much, Mr. Hussein. That is Mr. Hussein Golicha, who is the Deputy Principal in charge of Planning, Finance and Administration here at the university, at the Garissa University College. Of course, the university has put in place security measures to ensure that the students who will be here will be safe, who will not, that the university should not undergo another terror attack. But the big question is, are those students primarily not from Garissa town, Garissa County, going to be coming here? I have been joined by one who is not a resident of this area. Her name is Sophia Gatwiri. Sophia, welcome to the program.
Thank you
As
very
a
much.
student, first of all, you could tell us from which county do you hail from?
Yes, I'm from Meru County. Yes.
Why did you decide to come back to Garissa University College?
I decided to come back to Garissa University because this is a place where I work. So there's no other university I can join because of my work condition. Yes.
Are there any concerns for you as a student, especially in terms of security concerns? You did report today. What was this security situation assessment for you as an individual and as a student?
Security is okay. So we would urge other students who would like to join the university, they should be free and feel okay and more secured because the security is okay.
Okay.
There is no problem.
Did you go through the biometric data capture that is...
Yes, I did. Yes.
Any comments on that? Do you think it's self-sustaining or it's for the spur of the moment?
No, I think this thing is going to go for a long time. It's not just a thing for the day. According to the way I've heard people talk about the security around, I think even it's going to be more tight than the way it looks today. Yes.
So maybe what word of advice would you have for the students who studied here before but may be too traumatized to come back? What message do you have for them as one who has returned?
I would like to tell them that Garissa University is safe, according to me. That's what I've... okay, the fear that I had, from today I feel that this place is okay for learning. Yes.
So you would recommend?
No. I feel that it's okay for them to come and register. Yes.
Thank you so much. That is Sophia Gatwiri, a student here at the Garissa University College, who has come back all the way from Meru County to complete her degree in business management. Of course, the university has put in place a police post to help in the mitigation process and as well as the security efforts in the county. But of course, there is an aspect of all this that perhaps may have not been highlighted, and that is the community that lives around the school compound and the community here in Garissa town. And right now I'm going to be joined by one member of such a community. His name is, of course, Ali Bashir, who is an activist. Ali, welcome to the program.
Thank you very much.
First of all, tell us your role as an activist in ensuring that the school reopens after that heinous act in April.
The community has a role to play, and as a member of the Somali community and the community of northern Kenya, when the university was closed because of the terror attack, we were all devastated. But we know there were 148 victims and the families that were bereaved, but we did not want to see the only university in northern Kenya shut. So as members of the community, we came together. For example, I represent Northern Advocacy Organization. It's an organization consisting of youth from the region who have come with Lolani Kalu from NTV, who has been instrumental in the campaign to agitate for the reopening of Garissa University. We came here and slept on the same beds where the students were killed, ate from the same dining hall, and showered from the bathrooms as a defiance to the terrorists.
Okay, thank you so much, and we wish you all the best in your activism and ensuring that the community here in Garissa town remains safe. So yes, Yvonne, that is the situation. Schools have reopened here at the Garissa University, and the message from the members of the community here as well as the administration is that students can come back. It is now safe to learn, and terrorism cannot prevail in Garissa town. Back to you in studio.
Thanks very much, Timothy Otieno in Garissa there.